Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see a healthy and a simple chutney recipe. To prepare the chutney in an idli stand, I have added 2 onions on 1 idli mould. We are going to just prepare this chutney by steaming all these. 2 tomatoes on another mould. I am going to add garlic 20 pods. Finally, I am going to add 1/4 cup of peanuts that is going to enhance the flavor of this chutney. For a bit of spiciness, I am adding 4 red chillies that are all also to be steamed. So now we are done with the ingredients. Now I am going to cover and cook these in a high flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can just switch off the flame. And now you can see how the onions, tomatoes, garlic and the peanuts are cooked. We can just remove the skin of the tomatoes. It comes easily if we touch it. So this chutney is done by steaming. For seasoning alone, we are going to add half spoon of oil. So now we are done with the cooked ingredients. Now I am letting it to be cooled. After that, I have transferred all the ingredients to a mixer jar and I have added the required salt. Grind it as smoothly as you can. Transfer the chutney to a bowl. You can see and just think of the tanginess how the chutney has. Now I am going to add half cup of diluted water from the mixer jar and give a gentle mix to the chutney. So this chutney has its unique flavor that even makes us more tempting to prepare this chutney again and again. For seasoning alone, I have just added half spoon of oil with half spoon of mustard, Asafoetida powder half spoon, red chillies 1, curry leaves 1 spray. Asafoetida powder can be used in the seasoning side. If you are having gum asafoetida, then you can steam it along with the other ingredients. Hope you like this recipe. Please do try this recipe at home and please give your feedback in the comment section. Stay connected to Nisha's Food Hut. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Press the bell icon to get my recent video notifications. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye.